Tonight we are in the City of London for the preview of Follow Me Into, an incredible projection installation series which is taking place across 6 locations in the city as part of the second week of Bartholomew Fair. Bartholomew Fair is a reimagining of an historic fair that took place in the City of London for 700 years. It's part of the City of London Corporation's Destination City programme that sets out a vision for the city as a world-leading leisure destination.
The story the projections tell us of this young girl who is enticed into a magician's box and a magician's trick, and she disappears for a moment, and in that disappeared moment she goes around the City of London and encounters these historical figures. One of the really interesting individuals that the young girl meets is William Shakespeare, very near where he lived in the City of London, and one of them being Isaac Newton, who lived near the Tower of London and worked at the Mint. Suffragettes that lived here and protested and caused demonstrations. Francis Barber, who was an ex-slave, who worked with Johnson and created the first English dictionary. And what we hope is that people encounter these stories and it stimulates them to think about their own relationship to the city as well.
People can experience it by following the trail every night between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. from the 7th to the 16th of September.